Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about exponential. So now I will show you the technique. Question number 1. So we have 1 over 2 in here. So we multiply both sides with number 2. And you got about 10 to the power of s minus 1 to the power of s equal to 100. About 100, you got about 10 to the power of 2. So in this situation, we got about s minus 1 to the power of s equals to number 2. That should be this one in here. So we got about s squared minus s minus number 2 equal to number 0. So we have two solutions. The next one, this one you got about e to the power of 4s minus 3 minus s minus 2 equal to number 10. So we got about e to the power of 3s, and minus with minus is about positive, so you got about negative number 1, 10. Later that we put about ln e to the power of 3s minus 1 equal to ln number 10. So we got about 3s minus 1 equals to ln number 10, and we got about s equal to ln 10 plus 1 divided by 3. That's the end. Thank you for watching.